Welcome back with another video, guys. I want to show you my bird. So this is my bird, Budgie bird, and I have two lovebird. So the one lovebird is here, and the second one is inside the box. I hope you guys see that. Look at there. See, one is inside the box. So I have three sitting on top and one is eating. Hi guys, how are you? Hello. All of them is doing fine, healthy, no problem with them, and they have lots of toy inside there, and they have two balls to play. So I put the stairs. This stairs I put it in the box. I make the hole inside there, and I put the tides here. That's the bottom to go in the box or on the stick. You guys can see this. Now all of them is sitting together. Look at them. That's the lovebird, and I have Budgie bird. So I'm planning to get it like the Indian parrot. I have somewhere, I see it. So maybe I'm gonna get that soon. So this is the cage. Because before I put it like a newspaper underneath here, but they start eating. So I change it. So I put this one. One week guys put it in the kitchen counter. So this one is good for them. They don't eat. So easy to clean. So they eat all the food. I have to change the food tomorrow. So 3-4 times in the day I change the water for them. So I give them always fresh water to drink. Look at them. They are so cute. Hello, look at me. Yeah, that's the boy. Hi, look at me. Hello. Yep. So this is the living room. So they fly in the kitchen. They sit on top of the TV over there on the shelf, and they play over there with the balls, play with the toys, and they come back here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Share, like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.